A typical study within this research domain requires subjects to mentally practice or mentally rehearse performing a task. Common instructions are to sit quietly, not move, and see yourself performing the task successfully from start to finish. Usually, a control, no practice group is included, as well as a group that receives actual physical practice on the task. At a given period following the mental practice or physical practice treatments, performance is assessed. In some of the earliest mental practice studies, Sackett, year 1934 and 1935, and Perry, year 1939, found that the mental practice of a task led to significant improvements in subsequent performance. This is from an article called "Does Mental Practice Enhance Performance?" And the year of this is 1994 by authors James Driskell, Aidan Moran, and Carolyn Cooper. My name is Alexandria. I am an imagination and manifestation expert. And as a visual performing artist, I use my imagination, of course, for creativity and to manifest my desires. If you are someone who is interested and or want to tap into your imagination intentionally to manifest your desires, I have a couple of books for you. The links for those books are in the description. I am going to read the abstract of this here article. Mental practice is the cognitive rehearsal of a task prior to performance. Although most researchers contend that mental practice is an effective means of enhancing performance, a clear consensus is precluded because A, mental practice is often defined so loosely as to include almost any type of mental preparation, and B, empirical results are inconclusive. A meta-analysis of the literature on mental practice was conducted to determine the effect of mental practice on performance and to identify conditions under which mental practice is most effective. Results indicated that mental practice has a positive and a significant effect on performance, and the effectiveness of mental practice was moderated by the type of task, the retention interval between practice and performance, and the length or duration of mental practice intervention. I'm also going to read another sentence of the different names for mental practice. This approach has been variously called imaginary practice, covert rehearsal, symbolic rehearsal, and introspective rehearsal or conceptualization. These different names or titles had varied throughout the years from 1939 to 1967. This article will also be in the description. If you found this video helpful, like it, share with others, and if you are looking to hear more content such as this, please subscribe. Alexandria signing off.